Hello guys, this is a simple yet very effective indicator that you've probably seen 1 million times. But basically what we've done, we made it a little bit more useful in terms of the way you can hook it up to your strategies. So basically, well, if you don't want to color these bars, you can. And you have a choice of your oscillator. Like you can choose a bunch of MAs and also the signal line. Choose a bunch of MAs. But the biggest feature that this guy has is basically when these start falling, you get a -1 API, and you can hook this up to your strategies. Okay, when this is actually growing, okay, you can see they're dark, whatever, pale green. It's actually a 2 API. Okay, now when this is falling, it's -2, and when this is growing, it's a 1. Okay, so this is falling, -1. Growing, but below zero line is a 1, falling -2, growing 2. And you can make use this. So for example, when it goes from 2 to -1, that will actually be your pivot point here, like for example this part. Okay, and you can hook up your bloodhound to this. You can if you program, you can code your strategies easily. You don't have to do anything, just hook up when bar 0 equals -1, bar 1 equals 2. That means you're on the peak right here. It's actually we're actually right here. Okay, so time to go short maybe. Okay, and catch this ride. Okay, so and that's probably the biggest takeaway, and the color coding for the bars and the API. Hope you enjoy. You can get this with source code, obviously. Take care.